I am Paul Francisco. I'm the director of, I'll call it ICRT. I'm sure Lori was happy to hear you call it ICRT. But we all have our different ways of thinking about it. So very happy that everybody is here. Honored to have you all with us here at our training center. We have a very long history. We can trace our roots back to after World War II with the establishment of the Small Homes Council at the University of Illinois to develop good housing for returning veterans from World War II. That eventually became the Building Research Council, and we spun off from that to become Indoor Climate Research and Training and developed this facility back in about 2010 with a grant from the U.S. Department of Energy. We are, as Delitso said, our number one mission is helping people. Helping people have better lives, helping people have better homes, have their home be a place that supports their well-being, and is not one of the stressors that's added to their lives as they're trying to make things work. So, being part of RPC now, it's fantastic. It's their mission and our mission are basically the same mission. Help people. Focus on the people. What can we do to make their lives better? Especially those who need the most help. So I'm very excited about being part of RPC at this time. And in the few months we've been there, Delitso has been fantastic to work with. The whole team has been fantastic to work with. You see a number of people from RPC here, some of whom I'm just meeting for the very first time myself, because they're all over there, and we're over here. But we have had nothing but really great support from the team as we become part of RPC. So I really feel as though the mission alignment that we have at a high level is being realized in practice. And so that's really wonderful. A little bit more about what we do. As Delitso said, we do try to bridge between energy and health and between research and practice. In my mind, we do that better than anybody else in the country. We are there are a number of weatherization training centers around the country. We're the only one that has a core research team. I'd like to recognize Kyle in the back and Egon, who are our on-site research team. We have another person, Zach, who is based in New York. And so we do research projects. It's applied research where we work in homes, we work with communities, we work with programs to figure out how to overcome the obstacles that are often in our way to being able to deliver those services to people to make their lives better. So when there's a concern that if we're doing energy efficiency, what's that doing for indoor air quality? We're the folks that answer those questions. We get research grants and we answer those questions. And so that integration of the research and practice to me is what makes us magic. I also do want to acknowledge others. We've got Lori Shoup in the back there, our Assistant Director for Education. We got Vashon Johnson, one of our trainers. You'll see Gary Duden in there, he's being one of our trainers right now. We've got Chris Chapman, our Program Coordinator. We've got Bethany Regains, who is our brand new, this is her 8th day, instructional designer. And she'll be down in the conference room at the end to talk about some things. Kyle will be down this hallway here in another room showing some stuff with our air quality monitors. But yeah, so we really, everything we do, whether it's on the research side, whether it's on the training side, we are trying to help people. The research side is trying to get the information that we can then deliver to the practitioners so that they can go out to thousands of families' homes every year and make their lives better. And it is truly a pleasure to be now with RPC, an organization whose mission is truly the same as ours, and we are living the mission, not just saying the mission. So thank you, Delitso, for the welcome to RPC and the support that we have received so far. And I look for nothing but fantastic, amazing, and awesome great things in the future.